Welcome, here I've got Nokia 8.1 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the Nokia device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. This is really cool here, and you can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right, here to the slow motion. And we can easily start recording by using this button here at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. And stop. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this, we get quick access to the gallery. So this is our video, and play. And that's all. This is how the slow motion video looks like on this device, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.